Okay, so our next step is going to involve using the drill. So we have a drill on the stand here that we're going to be using. You will need to get more instructions on how to operate the drill. We won't cover that in this video because a teacher will need to be with you while you're drilling. So we marked the ends of our dowel. We've got both ends marked. So what we're going to do now is we're going to, with our punch, we're going to find that centre mark with our punch, and we're going to give it a little tap, a little bit noisy, and that will mark the centre of our dowel. Next thing we need to do is we're going to place our dowel in the jaws of the drill press vise and lock it down. Okay, we will need to put in a 16mm bit because we're going to be drilling down into the end here. Now we don't have a lot of wood to play with, so we need to be a little bit on the careful side. We'll certainly be keeping our fingers well and truly out of the way. So what I need to do is I need to place the bit up into the drill chuck, like so, and tighten it by hand. And once I get it so tight, I need the key, and I will tighten that in with the key. Okay, I will then put my workpiece back, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to check where the hole is before I start. Alright, that's looking like the spot. So I will now turn on my drill, making sure I keep it lined up. And very carefully work my way down into the work. To a depth of about 5 to 7mm. So what we now have is we have a hole drilled into the end of our